షేక్ యాస్మిన్ బాషా గారు ఐఏఎస్ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ ఆయిల్ ఫెడ్ వారిని ఫెలిసిటేట్ చేయవలసిందిగా సంధ్య గారిని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Hybis for organizing such a great program, and Sandhya and Rajgopal, because this, I know, would have been taken almost 3 months of your entire year for organizing such a great event. So you have been jewelers who have actually picked the gems, and today they have been awarded. So congratulations to all the awardees. So they have taken from all the fields. I could see manufacturing, I could see young entrepreneurs, I could see those from the media, those from the medical field and all. So all the achievers, I think it would not have been easy for you. There would have been many barriers, but you have crossed them and now you are awardees. So these awards are not only for you. These awards are for every woman who is dreaming to become like you. So this is a great event organized. As we all know that International Women's Day has been being celebrated from 1911 onwards. But I think UN has declared Women's Day, International Women's Day in 1975, and today is the 30th. I think tomorrow is the 30th year of the celebration. So this is a great opportunity for all of us, because as Preeti was telling that every day is a Women's Day, but this is a platform where we celebrate our success, where we celebrate what we have achieved. And it is not only for you, the achiever, but it is all the women, as I told, that who are dreaming to become like you. I think this year's International Women's Day is accelerating action. That is the theme of this year's International Women's Day. So what action is needed? I think action is needed from every forum. Let it be society, or it is the individual, it is from the government or anybody. This, we all know that the support which is required for the women has to be there from every forum, let it be society or anybody. We still see there are so many violence against the women and all that has to be arrested, and people like you, everybody has to speak. Many of you may think that as individual what we can do, but speaking against the violence, speaking against the wrong being done by the woman, that itself, standing for yourself, though it may not influence you, but in future you should not feel that the other woman is affected. When other woman is affected, we need to feel that every woman is affected and we need to act against it. So I request collectively we can do it. And definitely the need of the support required from every forum will come. First, we need to accept that yes, we really need that dignity, decorum, and the respect that is required for a woman. No day is there without a woman, we know it. But still, we see that how woman is being treated many a times, though we have achievers here. But let us see the other side of the story also. So we need to be together and fight for our rights. And also every occasion, I would request all the achiever here to kindly speak about our rights, speak about the acts which are there. There are very strong acts, but still the knowledge about the acts, because knowledge is power. So definitely the knowledge, we need to spread this to every woman down the line. Rural, especially in the rural areas, there is a great need. There is a great support which is required to be delivered to these rural women and all. So I request all of you to come together and do this. And once again, I congratulate the Hybis team, Sandhya, Rajgopal, and their entire team for organizing such a great event. And all those who are present, once again, I congratulate all of you on this occasion of International Women's Day. Thank you.